for 6 to 8 minutes. Her speech title is Rainy Day Activities. Our second speaker today loves rainy weather, rainy days, and yellow raincoats. Arlinda will be taking us back in time to her grade school years, and a rainy day. Please help me welcome Arlinda Smith, Rainy Day Activities, Arlinda Smith.
Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and all of our honored guests today. It was a dark, bleak, rainy morning. The sky was black with rain clouds, and it was a magnificent rain we were having in that November when I was in 6th grade in Stockton, California. Boy, I was jumping for joy. Basically because my favorite thing to do with my best friend from kindergarten, and we're in 6th grade now, was a rainy day activity. And on the radio, the newscaster was predicting rain all weekend. It was joy to my little 6th grade years. We love to get dressed up in our yellow rain slippers and take moon pies. How many of you know what a moon pie is? Back in my day, it was 2 oatmeal cookies filled with marshmallow, and the whole thing was covered in wonderful chocolate, and they were big. They were very big. And we take those out to our slough, which was not too far from where we lived. And we would have lots of fun at the slough. Oh, wait a minute. Let me make sure we have some moon pies to take out with us tomorrow. Oh no, we ran out of moon pies last time and never replaced them. Let me call my girlfriend Judy. Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Hello, Judy. It's Arlinda. You hear the newscast for rain will be all weekend? Yeah, I heard. Well, get your raincoat ready. The only problem is that we ran out of moon pies. What are we going to do? I don't know. Well, let me think for a minute. I know. We can do some work around the house and have our moms pay us for doing some housework. How about that? All right. Well, you get started on it, Judy, and I'll get started on it here, and we'll see how it works. All right. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Judy Davis was my best friend since grade school. She had long blonde hair that she wore in a ponytail, cute and perky. Me, I had long dark brown hair that I wore into braids with ribbons down my braids. And together we were best friends in grade school. Well, I know what I can do to earn some money today. I can talk to my mom. My mom was a wonderful person, a stay-at-home mom. The only problem with Mom was that she was always there, watching over us, right? Always there. Let's see if I can get Mom to come out. Mom? Yes, Arlinda? What can I do to make some money to buy moon pies? You know, Judy and I will go to the slough tomorrow because it's raining. See those clothes? Yes, Mom. Why don't you fold them for me? And see that dust rag? You could dust for me, and I'll buy you some moon pies. All right, Mom. Let Let me get started on this clothes folding. One thing that Judy and I liked about the slough is that the boys always went out there before us. So when we got to the slough, there'd be lots of little boy things left, like little fishing hooks and fishing wire. There'd be pieces of gum wrapper paper out on the slough bank. Also, there would be little lizards and little snakes and the worms because of the rain. Everything would be out. And we would certainly be enjoying ourselves at the slough. That, and I think we just like to get rained on, and we like to get dirty. You know how you go out there in your rain boots to the slough, and you get dirt on your feet, and you can slosh through all the water, and it doesn't matter, does it? The rain comes down and hits you in the face, and we girls like to make these turns out there in the rain. And the rain had washed everything down, and it just felt wonderful. Well, I better get to doing a little dusting for Mom. Mom? Yes, Arlinda. I'm all finished folding clothes and dusting. Can you go to the store and buy our moon pies now? All right, everything looks pretty nice. I'll do that for you. Thanks, Mom. Now we take a pause while I go to sleep for the night, so I can get up the next morning. Here's the moon pies Mom got for us. And have fun at the slough today. Oh, let me get my raincoat on. Let me look out the window. Oh my goodness, look at all that magnificent thunder and lightning. Look at all those black clouds. Look at that wind blowing everything around. It's going to be a glorious day. A glorious day. We call Judy. Judy, have you looked outside? Yes, I have. All right. I'll meet up with you under the big oak tree. All right. Bye-bye. Mom, I'm going out to play now with Judy. Wait a minute, Arlinda. Always there. Yes, Mom. Look outside. There's actually thunder and lightning. And look at how hard it's raining. I'm very sorry, but you cannot go out and play in the slough today. Oh, Mom. Moms. Gotta go